These court documents detail the many times 16-year-old Zariah Dodd told people that she feared for her life and the men accused in her killing.
I asked her, how does she know my daughter? She says, I know the man that has your daughter. She said, I know Jarrell.
Adrienne says her daughter disappeared multiple times last year with 36-year-old Jarrell Davis. She was fighting for answers in a case involving a court order of protection for her daughter against Davis when a message from Zariah Dodd popped up in May asking for help.
She later said, but I'm scared to speak up. I'm 16. I'm pregnant by him. She firmly said in the message, he told me if I said anything that he had people that would kill me. I immediately turned that over to police the next day.
Adrienne went to police, and she wasn't the only one who reported concerns shared by Dodd in the months before she was shot and killed in Marivue Park over the 4th of July weekend. Court documents say 18-year-old Jacree James Gillette confessed to pulling the trigger, alleging that Davis threatened death if he did not. Davis denies these allegations, but both are charged in her murder.
When I heard that it happened, I immediately knew he had something to do with it.
Records state Dodd also told her DCS caseworker that back in December, she felt forced into intercourse with Davis when she was just 15, that he had a gun at the time and that she was scared that he would use it. DCS said the incident was reported to law enforcement in April.
It saddens me that even Zariah herself reached out.
Dodd's former kinship caregiver left the group home long before this occurred, but kept up a friendship. She says she never got the full story from the teen, who she tried to help like family.
Did she ever tell you she was scared?
No, she didn't.
The documents say Dodd left her group home on the 4th of July for a walk, but was instead picked up by Gillette. The investigation found that Dodd also texted another girl at the group home that same night that she was afraid and being driven in circles.
But now hearing all of this, that she was reaching out, it hurts me. Because it's like all of this could have been prevented.
Dodd was killed just days before she had a scheduled forensic interview in Davis's sexual conduct investigation. Those close to Dodd questioning what could have been done earlier.
Where was the protection for her in all of this? Why wasn't she moved? And why wasn't her phone being stripped?
She hopes those precautions and more are put in place if a situation like Dodd's ever happens again.
They need to do better.
Lillian Donahue, ABC 15, Arizona.